Hello and welcome to another day of Nextdoor automation built in public. We are reaching day 28 and today I'm going to reveal in this video a simple but yet underutilized, actually I never see anybody do it, to get better visibility and get more leads for your business. So it's a way to appear on Nextdoor on a regular basis, and in this case you're going to focus on all new incoming members. Before explaining you the strategy, my name is Eric. I specialize in automation for Nextdoor, and this strategy I'm going to explain you right now, actually we are able to automate it for you because you probably don't have that much time to spend on the social network and you want to serve your customers with products and services, and we are here to alleviate the burden so you have more time to service your customers. So this is how we do it. First, and you've seen that probably if you are already on Nextdoor, if not, please create your account, is that on your feed line once in a while, depending on how much traffic and how big your neighborhood is, you'll find some notification from Nextdoor. Nextdoor actually notifies everyone whenever there is a new member joining this type of post. So this is one of my customers' accounts, and I'm showing you here. This customer is based in France. So basically it says welcome, the name of the new member, welcome with a virtual gift. Then you have the choice of confetti, flowers and cookies. And you have a comment section. And as you see here, nobody has given a welcome. Well, actually maybe two did with confetti and flowers, but nobody commented it, and that's a shame because when you have a new member, and I don't know any other social media who does that, you have the opportunity to first welcome them and explain who you are. So if I were to implement this strategy for you on auto mode, I would my automation would go on each and every new member notification joining, and I would have a randomized text based on our agreement of how to do it, but it would say hello, hi, and welcome to the neighborhood, so happy to see you around here, be always friendly. Oh, by the way, if you need any assistance for your gutter cleaning or your bicycle fixing, whatever your small business is, feel free to reach to me, or even better, put a link towards the group that you have created. I advocate strongly for you guys to create a group, because if you post everything in the group, then people have, when they see a warm welcome like this, they will probably join, if they have interest of course, will join that group and see all your past posts, and that will give them right away a good visibility on what you have done and all your post publications in your group. That's an opportunity for you to show your expertise in your field. So that does not mean they will be right away a customer, but at least they know who you are, what your activity is. If they're interested right away, they will join the group and become a member. That gives you an opportunity to send them a DM to say another welcome to the group, and provide them with a promo code or any special commercial offer you may have on the shelf when you are doing this post. And again, that's a way to activate your online virtual conversion funnel on Nextdoor. So these are never used, as I can see it on my different customer accounts, and I strongly advise you to do it. So if we see the detail, this this person has joined 8 hours ago, so be the first one to send a warm welcome. That's the best way to let them remember you in the future and know about your business. Now, I advise you to create a group. The sooner you start, the better, because over time groups can grow pretty big depending on the area you are. And also, if you want to find all the posts, publications that are related to you or to your neighborhood only, you can, for example, have access to these maps that are actually quite hard to find, because the Nextdoor has recently changed again their structure. But if you reach, and I will leave a link of this type of maps in the description, and you will see that you will have all the posts according to one neighborhood, and you will have the past notifications of people who have joined. So this one is from the 26th of July. If we go back a little bit, then it was on 22nd. So if you have not started yet, you can go back in time and welcome in the past, let's say 15 or 20 days, and send them for each a personalized welcome. So that's that's it for this video. Oh, one more thing: to access this map, which Nextdoor has made quite difficult to reach, which is a shame. You will have probably to connect from your business account, because somehow from your personal account I did not find a way to reach it. So first create a business page if you have not. Then once you have created it, log into, so this one is my customer's personal profile, this one is his pro page. Log on, select, go to the other one, and then copy paste this URL that I'm going to show you. That's a two-step process. So copy paste this URL, so nextdoor.com/settings/neighborhoods. Then you will see all the neighborhoods you are a member of, and then click on one of these. So I'll go to another one, let's say for this one, and you will see first the number of people of that neighborhood, so 650 here, 2 posts this week. And if you go back, yeah, on the 27th of July somebody joined. So you probably have more than one neighborhood. You can add more as the time goes, and that will increase your reach over time, to be able to reach more people, send them a nice message as I described in that video. So if you like this video, give it a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for new videos, and see you tomorrow. Take care.